Have you ever paused to consider that you and every living being you've ever known are essentially composed of tiny, invisible building blocks? Welcome to today's journey through the microscopic world of cells, the fundamental units of life as we know it. Imagine being in a bustling city, full of activity and life. This city represents a single cell. The buildings, roads, parks, they all have their unique roles, just like the different parts of a cell. In this city, there are factories, power plants, and delivery systems, all working in harmony to keep the city, or in our case, the cell, functioning perfectly. So what are these cells? Cells are the smallest unit of life, invisible to the naked eye, yet so complex and vital. They are the building blocks that make up all living organisms, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whale, and yes, even us, humans. They are so small that millions of them would fit on the tip of a needle. Cells exist in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, each type specialized to perform a specific function. Just like how a city has different buildings for different purposes, a cell has various parts called organelles, each with a unique role. These organelles work together to keep the cell alive and functioning. For instance, the nucleus acts as the command center, directing all other parts of the cell and storing the cell's genetic information. Meanwhile, the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, generate the energy needed for the cell's activities. The city analogy holds true. A city needs a governing body and a power source to function, and so does a cell. But cells don't exist in isolation. They interact with each other to form tissues, which then come together to form organs. These organs then work together to form an organ system, and eventually, an entire organism. It's a fascinating hierarchy of organization, all starting from the humble cell. In summary, cells are the fundamental units of life, performing a wide variety of tasks to keep an organism alive. They are the smallest living units, yet they hold immense importance. From the nucleus acting as the command center to the mitochondria providing energy, each organelle within a cell plays a crucial role in its functioning. Just as a city cannot function without its various components, an organism cannot survive without its cells. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you are looking at a marvel of cellular architecture. Each cell in your body is working tirelessly, playing its part in the symphony of life. In a nutshell, whether we're talking about the tiniest microbe or the largest mammal, life as we know it wouldn't exist without cells. They are the building blocks of life, the very fabric that weaves together the tapestry of existence. It's a fascinating world, this microscopic world of cells, and it's all happening right under our noses, in our bodies, and all around us.